Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'm gonna review the Louis Vuitton Nano Pallas, which is I just get today. So this is the box when you buy it online on the louisvuitton.com. So what it look like is they have the Louis Vuitton there, and this the box. And I have a ribbon. Okay, just take it out there. This is the Louis Vuitton the Nano bag, which is really small, and the other brand is called, sometimes they call it mini, sometimes they call it micro, and this one is the Nano. So in the bag, in the box, they have the receipt in there. And I have another booklet. I don't know what is this one. And I have the receipt there. I have another card, and I have another return or exchange. And fitting, I don't know what is this one. Oh, it's just a craftsman booklet. Oops, whatever. And this is the bag. Got a tissue paper there and the dust bag. So this is the ta-da! So this is really small, and they have they only comes in red on this one. I'm not sure in the future they have another color. And on this Nano bag they have the Noe, the Speedy, the big the W bag, and they have a locket, but the locket and the W bag is $2,000 Australian, and this one is $1,290 Australian. I'm not sure in other country. So in this one they have a Louis Vuitton emboss there, and they have no compartment on the side as like the bigger one. And they have a glossy lining there on the handle, and they have a long strap, and it's not really strong, and it's not adjustable, and it's not removable. So what is inside the bag is they have another booklet. And they have another sticker saying what is the bag is, and they have another cutlet. So that's what it look like the bag is inside. It's just suede red lining, and they have no pouch or mobile pouch or compartment. It's just plain. And they have another Louis Vuitton emboss on there, really small. And they have the serial number in there as well. I don't know if you can see or not there. Yeah, so this is the Nano bag. So what you can handle is just like that. Or you can just swing it to your there, the shoulder. It's really cute. Or just somewhere. Or just carry like that. So this is the back, what it looks like. like, and on the side. Now I have to measuring it. Where's my ruler? I just have my ruler before. Here we go. So it's about 18 centimeters, I think. Yeah, 18 centimeters wide. And the tall is 11 centimeters. And on this deep is like 5 centimeters on the top. And 2 centimeters on the top. Oh, sorry. 5 centimeters on the bottom. And 2 centimeters on the top. There we go. This bag is so damn small, so like that. It's good for you if you don't have anything big, just fit like wallets, small wallets, cigarette, mobile, that's it. Nothing much you can put inside. So here we go. It's really been a long time. I'm sorry to get a review bag. I'm really hectic with working at the moment, but this bag is just arrived, so I cannot wait to review this bag. And I'm really sure there's no one reviewing this bag, because this bag is like new, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks max. Yeah, so hope you like the video, and if you have any question, just ask, emailing me. And if you have any other bag that you wanna review, just let me know. If I have the bag, I will review it, and if I don't, maybe I can find it my friends or whatever. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the review, and have a good day. Bye bye.